No start. Dude, look at that. That's clean. Look, even the alternator is chrome. That truck sounds pretty mean. Look at him flexing the Tesla. Tesla flex. What's funny is, in a straight line, that Tesla can probably outrun more than half the cars here.
Watch out, dude.
No, I think he's trying to back into the spot.
Nice, dude.
I can't stand those stickers.
Nice DeLorean, huh? Pretty sick. I'm not sure what the police theme has to do with it, but it's pretty good. And then they've got the Back to the Future. I don't even know what you want to call that. Dude,
Can you stop tripping on
can you stop getting in my way? Dude, I was actually going to drive one of these in Vegas. It's part of a little racetrack. You could pick a car to drive. I was going to drive it. It's an NSX. Dang. You see that? Yeah, you see that? It's a Ferrari. It's sick. It's crazy that one of these days, these cars are going to be gone, like, for good. All of these old cars, eventually, they're not going to exist. I think this was one of my favorite cars in GTA 4. Because in GTA 4 they used to have it, but it would be red with the white stripes, 2 white stripes. I think it was called the Cholo or something like that. That's a GNX, Caden, I was telling you about. What does?
that car?
Alrighty then.
This is the best
Oh,
car.
dude,
Don't
look
show
at
my
that
license
Ford
plate.
Fiesta. I'm not showing your license plate.
I like ones like this.
Look, this dude's sponsored by Marlboro.
Yeah, stuff like this. Josh, to your right.
What?
Right.
Really, air conditioning? How is that the best? That's not even close.
That's why they said they put the percent on the inside.
Makes sense. Supra. This is Smokey and the Bandit. Smokey and the Bandit. Trans Am. Beautiful. I saw one of these replicas on Craigslist for like, I don't even know, 30 grand. Very, very nice car. Lotus. Beautiful. Had a spontaneous front
Wait, let
flip,
me record it.
and now we're gonna do another one because I had to record it. Just do it. Screw her. Okay, we'll let her record. The last one you landed. All right, he's gonna try again. Did that hurt your foot? That looks like it may have.
He just said it.
Use the hill to your advantage. Nice. That's pretty sick.